In this video, we are going to talk about blend modes in pscc. Alright guys, here we are in pscc. So let's talk about the blend modes. So as you can see right here, I have different layer. This one I just snipped them. We have 100% gray, which is white. We have 50% gray, and we also have 0%, which is absolute black. And right here we have the colors, and here we have green, we have okay. So as you can see, to get the blend mode, you click on this icon, you click right here, so you will see blend modes here. As you can see, this blend mode is in normal, which means there will be no interaction with the otherness layer. Otherwise, you reduce the opacity. That's the only thing the normal blend mode can do. But if you click right here and you choose darken, as you can see, what the darkened blend mode does is that any color greater than 50% gray, which is from this 50% upward, it will not display it. But anyone darker than that, which is from this part downward, it will display only the darkness of that color. It won't, when it is in normal, when we put it in at normal, there is neutrally gray, some are neutrally, but there's some white in it. So darkened blend mode will remove the white and just show only the blacks. Why multiply blend mode? The next blend mode is multiply. What multiply does is it darkens everything. It darkens everything except 100% white. That's exactly what it does. Whenever you draw it, if you, here we have, let me pick a color. Let's pick, okay, let's see red. As you can see, it's darkening it. Let's use a different color. As you can see, this color becomes more darker because that's what multiply does. Okay, the next blend mode we have is lighting. So lighting is the opposite of darkening. Remember, what darkening does is it display any dark color that is greater than lesser than 50%. Any darker color that is lesser than 50%, while lighting display any brighter color that is greater than 50%. Why screen? Here we have screen is the opposite of multiply. It brightens everything. Okay, as you can see, multiply darken it. Let's put it at multiply. It darkens. Why screen? It brightens. It's just the opposite of multiply. So another blend mode we have is just click right here, linear dodge. Linear dodge add excess brightness to it and also increases the saturation. So let's turn on this layer. You'll see, as you can see, this one is over bright and the saturation is high, very high as well. So that's what linear dodge does. It's like it changes the mood of the color instantly. So the most popular blend mode we have here is overlay. Overlay adds contrast. It's wherever there is white, it brightens the white. Wherever there is dark, it darkens the dark, except 50% gray. As you can see, the 50% gray remains the same. So let's change the color. The 50% gray remains the same. So anything greater than 50% overlay brightens, while anything lesser than 50% overlay darkens. So these are the most used blend modes we have here in pscc. So other blends mode you see are these two: difference and subtract. So you may not use this often. So what the difference usually does is it gives the difference between two colors. I don't know how I'm going to put it, but that's just it. Why subtract? I really don't know about subtract that much, but I'm not sure you are going to use it that often. So these are the tools we have, the blend modes, and I hope you got a bit understanding of them. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.